What's up, YouTube? Cabo's Adventures here. So, I just want to take a couple minutes and show you all what I got off Temu last night, or, well, two nights ago, but I got it today. Only thing I've done was take it out of the packaging and unwrap it out of the, clear wrapping that they put it in. I have not opened it up. Let's dig in. Well, it's got a nice little plastic case to it. It's kind of sturdy. Alrighty. There's you all a pretty good look at everything in here. Playing around here. Nice little attachment there. Little ratchet. A rotating, well, I can't think of the name of it now, but you all know what it is. And then we've got a socket from size 4 up to 14, but they also added 4.5 and 5.5. And then we've got all the different screwdriver bit attachments. Yeah. I did order a drill off there, a drill set. It was like $15 or something, but I figured I'd just, get something something that would be expensive that I've used before, but not have to pay the full price for it. And with it coming from there, I would want to see how it works coming from Temu. I haven't had no bad experiences with Temu personally, but I know people who has, so yeah. Um, so be looking for a video of that coming on, and that's pretty much it. Thank you all for watching. K-Boost Adventures is out. Stay tuned. Make sure y'all hit that like and subscribe button, and hit that notification bell. So, yeah. See y'all.